Okay guys, so with Valentine's Day around the corner, we're going to be making some Valentine's decoration, but they don't have to be Valentine's decorations. Come check it out. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel where we do DIY projects, crafts, and some organization, but all on a budget. Let's get started with today's video. Okay, for today's project, you're going to need a picture frame, some type of string, an old page from a book. You can get a book at the Dollar Tree, which is what I did, and I just took a page out. Some red paper, you can use construction paper or cardstock, anything like that. A pencil and some scissors. And we're going to get started. Before I do much of anything, I'm going to go ahead and open up this frame. I'd like to get that 5x7 picture out of there that they use as a sample. And I'm going to use that kind of as a guide for how I go about putting this in there. I think I want to use the whole frame, so I'm going to take the matting out. So this is what I'm going to use kind of as my guide. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start drawing and tracing and seeing if well, not tracing because I don't have anything to trace, but I'm going to start drawing, and I'm going to try and draw a tree that I like, and yeah, that's what I'm going to try and do, draw a tree that I like. So let's cut that out, and we'll see. We'll see how it looks once it's cut out. We might not like it, we might have to redo it, but either way. Okay, so I went ahead and I trimmed down the tree, and I put it on the back side of the picture frame, or the picture insert, so that you could see it a little bit better. So it's going to be like that, where it's going off the page and off the top. And I didn't think about this earlier either, but Dollar Tree right now has the foam hearts, and they're actually stickers. So if you don't want to use construction paper or anything and cut out a heart, or you feel like you're going to mess it up, you could easily use something like this and just peel it off, and we'd have that. Those are going to be a little bit big. That's probably going to be a little bit more the size that we're wanting. So that it fits better with the tree. But yeah, I totally forgot about these. Check them out. They'll make your life a lot easier, and they're only $1, especially if you go to the Dollar Tree for your frame and a book to cut out of. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to actually cut out a piece of white cardstock, and I'm going to use this as my mat so that we're going to have a plain background in the back. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the tree, and I'm going to brush a little bit of Mod Podge on the back, and then I'm going to go ahead and glue it on my piece of paper. Actually, no, first I'm going to go ahead and outline this tree with a little bit of black just so it stands out a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm brushing on the Mod Podge, and I'm just brushing on a light layer so that it doesn't have any wrinkles or anything on the page, since book pages are like paper and they're thin. Once I pressed it down, I went ahead and I got any of the places that kind of peeled up a little bit that I didn't get enough Mod Podge on, or that dried while I was putting it on the rest of the branches. Next, I positioned the red hearts where I thought I would like them to hang, and I measured how much string I would need. I cut a little extra, and then I tied a knot, and I made the knot, oh, my daughter's saying hi. I made the knot so it would be at the bottom of the branch, like it was looping over the branch. Before securing everything, I took the hearts, and on the side of the heart, I wrote with a fine tip pen mine and my husband's names. Then I used a little bit of Mod Podge to secure the string. I peeled off the back of the foam sticker, and I stuck it on. Then I'm going to go ahead and lay it in the frame, and I didn't put anything behind this, but you definitely could, because I did take out the matting, so that gave it a little extra space. I went ahead and I pressed those tabs down just to hold it really tight in place. Next, I used some acrylic craft paint. The brand I used is Anita's. I used the color True Red, and I started by painting these letters from the Dollar Tree, just laying them flat down, but it was a little hard to get all the edges, so I ended up finishing them by holding them up, doing the edges, then laying them down and painting the top. I did 2 coats, and once they had time to dry, I laid them on the top of the glass to make sure I liked where they laid. Once I liked where they laid, I grabbed my E6000 and got started fixing them on there. When I put the E6000 on, I have the nozzle like on the wood because I don't want a whole lot. thin layer. And the E6000 will take a little time to dry, but I wanted it to stay on there a lot better than hot glue holds it. So there we go. I'm gonna let it sit and dry and we'll take a better look.
Can I see?
This would make a great gift for an anniversary or for a wedding gift. You could easily add a date at the bottom of the frame or the bottom of one of the letters like the E. I hope you guys enjoyed it and give it a try. Next time we'll check out this button heart picture above the craft we completed today. Can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye bye.